question is from GATE 2011 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 30. Two identical ball bearings P and Q are operating at loads 30 kN and 45 kN respectively. The ratio of the life of bearing P to the life of bearing Q is. Now it is given that P and Q are identical bearings. Life of bearing in million revolutions L10 is given by C, which is the dynamic load carrying capacity of a bearing, by P, which is the load applied on it or load acting on the bearing, raised to N, where N is the exponent of this life equation. Now the bearings being identical means their load carrying capacities will be same. So we can write Cp is equal to Cq is equal to C. Also this life exponent will be same for both the bearings. So Np equal to Nq equal to N. Both of them are given to be identical ball bearings. Value of N for ball bearings is nothing but 3. So by substituting all these values here, we have L10 for P bearing is equal to C upon load carried by P raised to N, whereas L10 for Q will be equal to C upon load carried by bearing Q raised to N. Taking the ratio of the two, that's what we have to find. So L10P divided by L10Q. Ratio of life of bearing P to life of bearing Q is equal to C by PP raised to N divided by C by PQ raised to N. Now C raised to N by C raised to N after dividing gives us 1. So what we are left with is PQ by PP raised to N. Let's substitute the values and find out the ratio. So we have the ratio of lives L10P by L10Q is equal to load carried by bearing P is 45 kN by load carried by bearing P is 30 kN, both in the same unit. So we have 45 by 30 to the power 3. By solving this, 15 into 3 is 45, 15 into 2 is 30. So 3 by 2 to the power 3. This gives us 3 cube is 27 and 2 cube is 8. So our answer is 27 by 8. Let's look for the correct option. The ratio of life of bearing P to life of bearing Q is option B, 27 by 8. To learn more about the rolling element bearings and ball bearings, you can refer to the NPTEL video Rolling Element Bearings Continued from the course of Tribology by Dr. Harish Hirani. He is from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Delhi. I hope the solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.